Welcome back, children. In our previous class, we discussed how you achieve 10 out of 10 points and as well as how to point out world map. In that, we discussed North America countries and South America countries, and as well as in the entire world where the Mediterranean seas, Red Sea and each and everything we discussed. Later, the tributaries of river Indus, each and everything we discussed in our previous class. Today we are going to discuss about our country. What's our country? Yes, India. Here, how many of you knows the history beyond our country? If we see here the story beyond our country, how this name was derived, different stories are there. Here already in our previous class we discussed river Indus. What was that? River Indus. Here the people lived in and around the river Indus. Why? Because water source is available around the river Indus and they are grazing their animals around the river Indus and they are living around the river Indus. That's why the people, those who are living in and around river Indus, they are called as the Indoese. On behalf of river Indus, the people, those who are living as Indoese, upcoming years, that Indoese is converted as India. This is one mythological story. And another story, once upon a time, this country was ruled by King Bharata. On behalf of this king, our name, country name, Bharat, it was derived. Different stories are there. Here, if we observe the relief features of our country, first of all, we want to know the location of our country. Our country's location 8 degrees 4 minutes and 37 degrees 6 minutes north, 68 degrees 7 minutes and 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitudes. This is the location of our country. Once upon a time, our country, it was a part of Angara land. Here, if we see the time difference between our country to London, it is the 5.5 hours. Here in our country, it is a universal truth. We know that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Good. Rises east and it sets in the west. To our east side, Arunachal Pradesh is there. We all know that Arunachal Pradesh state is receiving the earliest sunrise in our country. Finally, Gujarat receives sunrise. Here the time is different, but in our entire country the clock shows the same time. Why? How the clocks are showing the same time in our entire country? To avoid this time confusion, IST, I for Indian, S for standard, T for time, Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time has been taken. What is the Indian Standard Time? Indian Standard Time is the 82 degrees and 30 minutes east longitude has been taken as the Indian Standard Time. One degree equals to how many minutes? So 1 degree equals to 4 minutes. If the time is 8 a.m. in London, what is the time in India? Here already we discussed the time difference between India and London is 5.5 hours. GMT we are calling that. G for Greenwich and for Meridian Time. Zero degrees longitude is called. Zero degrees longitude, or that is also called as equator. This is taken as the GMT. Here, in our country, the time is 8 a.m. What is the time in London? That is 5.5 hours. Difference from our country's time to London. Now let us see here. Here, this is our country, India. This is our country. And here, this is London. Here, 0 degrees longitude has been passing. This is 0 degrees longitude. Now in our country, the time is 8 a.m. Here, 5.5 hours we have to deduct. Now the time is 8 a.m. in our country. So what was the time there? Here the time is 3. Now the time is, what was the time there? 3 p.m. That is the time difference between our countries to London. How can we measure degrees and minutes? As per the latitudes and longitudes, we can measure the time difference. As per the latitudes and longitudes, we can measure the time difference. Here, the grid system is there. Here, these are latitudes, these are longitudes. This is a gap between latitude and longitude, that's called as a grid. That's called as grid. Here, in our country, 6 physiographic divisions are there. What are the, how many major relief features are there in our country? 6. One word answer. One mark. Still now, we saw here the story beyond the river Indus. How the country name was derived. This was derived because this country was, the people, those who are living around the river Indus, they are called as the Indo-East. By these Indo-East river, the people, those who are living river Indus, the country's name was derived, as well as the another story also we discussed here. Once upon a time, this country was ruled by the king Bharata. On behalf of that king, this name was derived as Bharat. We saw here the location of our country. Our country's location, mainland. 2 marks question. This is, what was the location of India? The location of our country is 8 degrees 4 minutes and 37 degrees 6 minutes north, 68 degrees 7 minutes and 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitudes. What is the full form of IST? Indian Standard Time. What is the full form of GMT? Greenwich Meridian Time. Indian Standard Time passes through which state? Through Uttar Pradesh, Allahabad. 82 degrees 30 minutes. East longitude has been passing through the Allahabad. What is the time difference between GMT and IST? The time difference between GMT and IST is 5.5 hours. 1 degree equals to how many minutes? 4 minutes. Now we are going to discuss relief divisions of India. Already I told you 6 relief divisions are there. Now we are going to discuss one by one. What are the 6 relief divisions? Or relief features? Number 1, Himalayas. person depending upon these 6 relief features only. Number 2, Indo-Gangetic Plains. Number 3, Peninsular Plateau. Four, coastal plains. Five, Thar Desert. Six, islands. These are the 6 relief features of our country. Once again, let us see the relief features of our country. If he asks for one more question, write the relief features of India. The Himalayas, Indo-Gangetic Plains, Peninsular Plateau, coastal plains, Thar Desert, islands. One more. Write about the Himalayas. In this, Greater Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya, Outer Himalayas. Himalayas can be divided into 3 categories. Greater Himalaya, Himadri. Lesser Himalaya, Himachal. Outer Himalaya, we are calling them as Shivaliks. Greater Himalaya, Lesser Himalayas, and as well as Outer Himalayas. Here the question will become, they will ask one question, that is, appreciate the agriculture in India. Or if the Himalayas were not there in its present position, how would be the climatical condition of India? And one more question also will be given in your examination pattern. How the Himalayas are protecting our country from cold winds. Very, very important this lesson. Here, Himalayas are the reason for summer rains. Himalayas are protecting from us, entering into the cold winds. Himalayas are the reason for great agriculture in our country. If the Himalayas were not there in its present position, the entire country will be appears like a desert. Here we are appreciating the Himalayas. Himalayas are the reason for summer rains. If there was no Himalayas, there was no agriculture in our country. Himalayas are protecting as the barriers. These Himalayas are running 2,400 kilometers from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh with an elevation 2,400 kilometers. The shape of the Himalayas, arc shape. These are protecting our country. And here, the relief features, 6 relief features we are observing. Of these, one is the Himalayas, another one Indo-Gangetic Plains, next one Peninsular Plateau, coastal plains, Thar Desert, and islands. If we come to these islands, in our country, two groups of islands are there. Here, one group of island is in Bay of Bengal. That is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In the Bay of Bengal, here Andaman and Nicobar Islands are there. And Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands. Where are these Lakshadweep Islands? In the Arabian Sea. In the Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Islands are there. In the Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are there. Here, in our country, two groups of islands are there. They are, one is in Bay of Bengal, another one is in Andaman Arabian Sea. In Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are there. In this Andaman and Nicobar Islands, one more small island is there, that is the Indira Point. Very, very important this is. This was submerged in 2004 tsunami. Indira Point was submerged in 2004 tsunami. And two coastal plains are there. One is eastern coastal plain and another one is western coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. So here, if we see the location of our country, 8 degrees, 4 minutes and 37 degrees, 6 minutes, 68 degrees, 7 minutes and 97 degrees, 25 minutes east longitudes. Indian Standard Time is 82 degrees 30 minutes. Here, to confuse you, they will give here 82 degrees and half minutes. Don't get confused. 82 and half and 82:30 both are same. Okay, this is the Indian Standard Time. IST stands for Indian Standard Time and GMT stands for Greenwich Meridian Time. IST is ahead of Greenwich Meridian Time, 5.5 hours is the time difference. In our country, Arunachal Pradesh state receives the earliest sunrise, but in the entire country the clock is showing the same time. Why? Because 82 degrees and 30 minutes has been taken as the Indian Standard Time to overcome the confusion. By this, the clocks in the entire country are showing the same time. If we come to the relief features of our country, 6 relief features are there. One is the Himalayas, another one is the Indo-Gangetic Plains, next one is Peninsular Plateau, next one coastal plains and Thar Desert, and islands. Himalayas can be divided into three categories. One is Greater Himalayas, another one is Lesser Himalayas, next one is Outer Himalayas. And these Himalayas are running from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh with an elevation of 2400 kilometers with an arc shape. And now we discussed here about the coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains we discussed, and as well as we discussed already islands. Two groups of islands are there. One is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in Bay of Bengal. Next one is Lakshadweep Islands. These Lakshadweep Islands are in Arabian Sea. Here, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are of volcanic origin, and the Lakshadweep Islands are coral origin. In these islands, one of these islands we can see the coral origin, and one of these islands we can see here volcanic origin. And if we see the Thar Desert is situated in Rajasthan, in the leeward side of Rajasthan, in the leeward side of the Aravallis. Here we can see the sandstorms. The water is not found in this area. Here, daytime temperatures will be increases, and the night time temperatures will be drastically fall down. Here in the Thar Desert region we can find out very low rainfall, and as well as when the rains comes here, only the river Luni supplies water to the desert area people. Here nowadays the people are storing the water by the percolation tanks, and by storing that water they are growing some crops. That's why nowadays, by the globalization, by the introduction of new methods, high yielding varieties in this desert area also, in Rajasthan area, some people are also growing different kinds of crops for their survival. So here we are discussing about the relief features of our country. If he asks here, write the relief features of India. 6 relief features are there. One more question. How many relief divisions are there? Name them. 2 marks question that is. There are 6 relief features are there in our country. One is the Himalayas. Second one Indo-Gangetic Plains. Third one Peninsular Plateau. Fourth one Coastal Plains. Thar Desert and Islands. If you write this question answer, you will get 2 marks. And expand IST and GMT. This is also for 1 mark. IST stands for Indian Standard Time, and GMT Greenwich Meridian Time. And one more question also will be asked. What is the location of India? The location of India 8 degrees 4 minutes and 37 degrees 6 minutes and 68 degrees 7 minutes and 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitudes. If you write this answer, you will get 1 mark. And What are the two groups of islands? Explain about the islands. 2 marks question that is. Maximum from the Indo-Gangetic plains to peninsular plateau, coastal plains, Thar desert and highlands. These 5 will be for 2 marks and 1 marks. Only from Himalayas. Write about the great Himalayas. If he asks here, and write the difference between the lesser Himalayas and the outer Himalayas, you will get 4 marks. 4 marks question will come. And after that, here Thar desert region and as well as the islands will be given information skill. After giving this information, what are the volcanic origins? The volcanic origins are Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Where are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located? The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in Bay of Bengal. 2 marks are completed. Or he will ask you draw the outline map of India and point out Indira Point. For map drawing 2 marks and for pointing out Indira Point 1 mark and pointing out for Malwa Plateau here 1 mark. Total 4 marks you will get. Okay. For our upcoming classes, we discuss about the Himalayas and its parts, remaining divisions, what are there in the Himalayas, and as well as the peninsular plateau, and as well as how are the rivers in our country, what are going through our country, the rivers and its tributaries, and as well as where is the Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Islands, where is the Indian Ocean, and total we discuss upcoming classes. Thank you.